everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sunday YouTube TV. So today we are going to assemble a ring light which we bought to improve the quality of our video. So I'm going to showing you on this tutorial how to assemble that small ring light, right, a medium size one. So with me here I have the stand, so we have to open the stand. So guys, let us see how can we do this. Yeah, so this is how the stand is. Oh shit. So right yeah, now so there's this screw, we're gonna tight it so that it won't be moving. All right, see guys. All right, so this is my first time doing this, guys, so I'm gonna be showing you, and then you see this, we're gonna pull it out, yeah, to extend our stand. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave the stand on this size, and then I'm gonna tight these screws, right, so that it won't go down again. So you see, guys, this is how we do this thing. And then I took my ring light. This is my ring light, guys. And then I have another part here, which is this one here. So this part, you know, it is another tightening screw on the side. So I'm gonna loosen it, and then I'm gonna make this straight and then tighten it. So this part I put it in here. You see, guys, check, guys, what I'm doing, guys. So if you like this video, guys, please kindly like, comment, and subscribe. Right, so guys, see now, this is how my thing is like. So this thing, guys, its job is to, right, so let me show you. So I'm gonna put it at the other side where there is no cable. So guys, here, this is how my things will be like. And then this one, I'm gonna put it on this nut, guys. So I'm gonna so guys, and then I tighten this. So guys, as you can see now, it's straight. So the next part which we are going to do, we are gonna put the smartphone holder. I have this part. So we have two parts here. See, guys, this thing and this thing. So you're gonna do this, and then we put this in here, and then this part will be inside here, and then we tighten it nicely. Check, guys, check what I'm doing, guys. Check, guys. Am I doing the right way? Yeah, correct me in the comment section, guys. So guys, you see now we have our phone holder, which is adjustable. You see, it's adjustable. So we're gonna I'm gonna put this one at this point. See, guys, so now we have our phone holder. So you see, let me put this one in here. So guys, this is our phone holder. So I'm gonna showing you how the ring light is going to work. So stay tuned there, guys. I'm going to take the plug and put it on so that you can see how it works. Alright, so guys, you see, it is an USB cable. So on this one, I'm gonna try it on my laptop, not on a. Alright, so now it's on, guys. As you can see, it's on here. So you can turn the light on. See, guys, I sing me, guys. So our ring light is working properly, right? So you can change the type of light which you need. See, it has changed. We can adjust the light. You see, we can reduce the size, and then we get gonna increase the light size, guys. So guys, this is how we can do it. You see, it's showing. Let me change the light. See, guys. Mhm. 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 So guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from my short video, which is a tutorial to those who needs to buy their own ring light. Mine is small, but there are bigger ones which are smart ones. They use touch, they Bluetooth parts, but for me I just bought this one, the small one, which I afford, right? So this is how it is, guys. Thank you. So if you are new to this channel, please like, comment and subscribe if you like this video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.